focus on the TH digraph. The TH digraph has two sounds. One sound is I make the TH digraph sound by placing my tongue between my teeth and blowing. The second sound is I make this TH sound by using my voice. I still place my tongue between my teeth, but this time I use my voice. We will see the TH digraph in the beginning of a word, in the middle of a word, or at the end of the word. Let's begin with our word bank. I will say the word 2 times and you will repeat it after me. The first word is thumb. Thumb. Now you repeat the word thumb. Very good. Thick. Thick. 3. 3. Thermometer. Thermometer. Thirsty. Thirsty. Thousand. Thousand. Thorn. Thorn. Throat. Throat. 13. 13. Thread. Thread. Cathedral. Cathedral. Father. Father. Mother. Mother. Brother. Brother. Bath. Bath. Month. Month. Authentic. Authentic. Athletic. Athletic. Broth. Broth. Wealth. Wealth. Thursday. Thursday. Thought. Thought. Very good. We just practiced the TH digraph that says or If you noticed, we have father, mother, and brother. In those words, we use the TH digraph sound with our voice. Father, mother, brother. In the other words, we have the TH digraph that we blow, such as month, broth. Very good practice.